Hello, I'm Brian Flanagan with TalSmart. Welcome to TalSmart News Digest. We're proud to bring a fresh story to you today.
According to Microsoft, 68% of millennials and Gen Z buyers have higher expectations for service than older generations. Unsurprisingly, this means that pushy customers are a problem for sales staff. But how do you handle them? We have the scoop from top sales consultants. The number one way to avoid problems with pushy customers is to have clear expectations as to what they should expect from your sale. If they don't like it, don't be vague about it. Professionalism and sympathy also matter. People often get pushy because they feel like they aren't heard. So, it's okay to ask questions and take notes. With that said, it's important to know when to give and when you have to enforce boundaries. Some people push boundaries just so that they can argue and win. It doesn't make sense to cater to them. While you should enforce, you should never threaten a customer. This is the easiest way to get bad reviews or a lawsuit on your hands. If your customers have a tendency of being very problematic, it may also make sense to document your interactions with them. This can help build a paper trail and also confirm to managers that you've done all you can. Managers, it's important to build a routine to use when dealing with pushy customers. Your team needs it.
At TalSmart, we inspire and encourage all salespeople to dream big. We want to be your go-to partner in sales training, sales coaching, with a special emphasis and focus on the IT and software market. Visit us at talsmart.com. You'll be glad you did.